Ngayon, para hindi umikot, pag ganun mo rito, hawak mo na siya. Pagka umikot siya ngayon, huwag ka rito. Ito, babalik mo yung tinuro sa inyo ng hawak. Kaya kailangan, hindi lahat ng oras gagamitin mo kamay. Kailangan braso sa katawan. Okay? Para at least mas maganda yung sitwasyon. Para nakakalinis ka. So first time, mag-1 dito, 1. Pagkatakbo dito, 1. Kung nag-convert ka dito,
Ikot mo na lang dito para makita ko.
here's the body shape. Like this. Right? But if you're the holder, ganito tayo sir, pag ginawa natin to. So, nagtaka ng gano'n, nag-start ng ganyan kasi, ito na yan. Ito yung igagawin nyo. Ganito. So, kaya kung pag ginanong ko, ibababa mo siya. Para mawala ka sa angulo. Diba? Kaya kinakawakan mo ko ng isa. Yan. Ngayon, pwede mo lang ko ilak dito, pag-grasuin mo na yan, babaliin mo. Yan, tapos body. May counter din yan. May counter pa rin yan. So, pag ginanong ko rito, sir, binaba ko, yan, binaba ko, dito ko, yan, nakawag yung ganyan. So, babaliin mo, sir, ikot ako ganyan, di ba? Ang counter mo, sir, kukunin mo dito. So, doon tayo sa ano, para alam nyo rin. So, ibig sabihin, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, para alam sir yung movement. Nakuha, sir, nakuha. Okay, partner kayo, sir, kami dalawa niya. Same. If you punch, I go here.
Ay, sorry. Balik lang, sorry.
Right? I punch here. Before I look like this, you pick it with the my left one, like this one. That's it, and then you go. That's it. I counter with counter. 1. Before I bring it with my left. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2. Actual, I go here. Right? 1. Big 1. But the counter actually, even if you counter like that, that's it. You have to use this one. This one. Push, then I try to reverse it like this. That way. No. If you go that way, this is to go straight. Fine. That's it. With the face. That's it. Back here. And then down. In case I grab it with this one, and this one, this one. Okay, one more. If I grab it here, and that's counter. Okay? So in case that's that. Okay, then that's it. That's right. Okay. On the start I grab here. Okay, I want to break here, and that's it. Counter. So showing up here first technique, I go flat like here, and then you counter. Yes. So in case I go down, so here, okay, and then this. And that's it. You don't need to roll over, you just slice my arm, you will straight. That's it. In case I go here, flat. So the thing that you do is counter here. Probably you block this one. No, that's it. Force it, go here. That's it. That's a block. And then go straight to the neck. That's it. It's supposed to